Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Roofers Coffee Shop Soundstage, live at the CertainTeed Business Builder Workshop at Lone Depot Park in Miami, Florida. And I am sitting here with Canopy Roofing, local Miami contractor who is here for the CertainTeed event. Now, gentlemen, I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself and tell everybody what you do at Canopy Roofing. So get us started.
My name is Federico Ambrosini. I'm the owner of Canopy Roofing.
And my name is Juan Zapata. I'm the sales manager at Canopy Roofing.
Excellent. So is this your first CertainTeed Business Builder Workshop?
It is. It is our first.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what are your thoughts?
Amazing. I mean, it's a lot of information. I think if you are trying to get out there in the roofing industry or any industry, because it's not just based on roofing, it's a great way to get information to push your sales, push product, push quality, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just going to piggyback off of what he said. All the information that we're getting, and not only does it inform us, but it gives us an edge to explain it maybe a little simpler to the customer, but either way.
Yeah, it's invaluable. Now, you said you're the owner of the company. Did you start the business?
So it's two of us. I used to work for a roofing company as a product purchaser. That's how I learned about products. And one day we came together and we're like, hey, I think we could do this on our own. I got my contractor's license about 8 years ago, and from that point forward, we've been a roofing company.
Now, do you do mostly residential, commercial, a little bit of both?
So we do about 90-10, mostly residential. That was it's a hard decision to make at the beginning,
right?
Because commercial is sometimes where the money's at, but residential is a more rewarding, I would say, business.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I could add, I think residential is really the way to get your foot in the door and to build a reputation fast, because one homeowner is talking to all of their neighbors, their family members,
yes,
their friends. Whereas in businesses aren't really talking about who did their roof. They're just kind of getting it done, getting it out of the way.
Right.
The building's secure, and they're good to go.
Yeah, you've got the referrals, the relationships.
Exactly.
I'm just curious, why did you choose CertainTeed to be the product that you want to offer to the homeowners that you work with?
So I started my own company. I was looking to get certification. When you start off, you need somebody to say that you're good. You need somebody to say that they trust you. Went to CertainTeed and they gave me a shot. At first I wasn't looking for quality. I was just looking for somebody to say, I trust you.
Yeah.
And CertainTeed did that to me and gave me the opportunity as a small business, as a young contractor. That's another one. People, when you call a roofer, they don't expect me to show up. They don't expect, I was 25 years old when I started. They probably think this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Yet when you say CertainTeed, when you put a name out there that people can relate and they're backing you up, that gave me all the confidence to sell. That gave me all the confidence to kind of build a business on the foundation on quality and trust.
Yeah, yeah, and I love that, you said CertainTeed gave you that support, right?
Yeah.
And through these business builder workshops, they're still supporting you.
Oh, yeah.
100%.
Big time.
Yeah.
100%. Yes.
I think one of my favorite things about CertainTeed in general is how the TMs, the territory managers, are so accessible. And when they're not, they have somebody that can back them up, or they have somebody that they can refer you to. I can honestly say I've been with Canopy for 7 years, and I can honestly say I don't think I've ever been left hanging on a question or like a product information. I've come to our territory managers, or Mike and Greg, I've come to them with clients who maybe they're not interested in Landmark series at all, and hey, we go over options. There's the luxury shingles, there's other systems that we can help these particular clients get involved in, and that launches CertainTeed into a whole different category.
Yeah. So you said you've been with the Canopy 7 years,
yes,
and you said it's been 8 years.
Yeah,
so you've been there from pretty much the get-go.
Yeah, we're childhood friends, and I was working retail, and Federico actually recruited me right out of my job. He took me out to lunch. He said, I need somebody with a little more pizzazz, I guess you can say. And 7 years later, here I am. This is our first builders workshop, but we've had the opportunity to tour CertainTeed plants, We've seen their products be made firsthand, and again, that all that reinforces the sales department, which is my department. So
Right.
if I can eat, sleep, and breathe CertainTeed, I can translate it to my customer and help them understand it as easily as possible.
Yeah, no, I love it. You know, that's where the loyalty,
Yeah.
you know, that comes in, because they're helping you with your business and be successful, and the quality products that they offer. You know, it's a win-win all around.
Exactly.
Yeah. Now you have another team member kind of lurking over there. He didn't want to come on camera, right?
He is very shy.
is it
He's
the three
actually
of
one
you?
of our good sales guys.
Oh, okay.
Probably my top sales guy.
All right, all right. Well, I hope. I mean, the day, it's almost lunchtime. There's still plenty of classes this afternoon. Are there any particular ones you're looking forward to?
Well, for me there was two that we already did, and we're kind of gonna piggyback on the first one, which was slow. I mean, since we are residential, we want to get into more commercial, and we got a lot of good information on this slow commercial roofing.
Yeah.
And now we're doing the big, what was it? Great,
good, better, best. On low slope.
On low slope.
So we did the technical aspect, which is all him. Now we get to go see how I can do
Sales.
this.
Yeah.
So
No,
selling
that's-
strategies,
yeah.
all of that is really what I'm looking forward to the most.
Excellent. Well, enjoy. Thank you for joining us here
Thank
on
you,
the
Karen.
soundstage. It was great to
Thank
meet you
for the
guys.
Thank you so much.
opportunity. Same.
Yeah, thank you all for watching out there.
Thanks,
like I
YouTube.
said, we're going to be doing this all day long, so don't go anywhere. We want to see you on the next one. Bye.